crashed out, like the young people would say. Dollar Tree prices are now up in the gardening section. In this video, I'm going to show you what items have gone up so you can run to your local Dollar Tree so you can avoid paying more in your garden this season. Let's get to it. I'm completely shocked with this. Now, I was going to mention the potting soil in Miracle-Gro. It was going to be $5, but take a look at the price, $7. Now, I use Miracle-Gro. I don't have a problem with Miracle-Gro. It works for me. This was $5 about a month ago, and now it's $7. So if you want Miracle-Gro, I would go to the big box stores. I would not pay $7 for Miracle-Gro here at Dollar Tree because I think it's a lot cheaper at the big box store. Now let me see, this is supposed to fill 8 quarts. Yeah, $7 for this bag? Absolutely not. You can keep that. You can definitely keep that. I will go to Home Depot and get different varieties of potting soil or Miracle-Gro. I don't think that's a great buy. Our beloved 3-tier planters, now $1.75. They were $1.50 a couple of weeks ago, and now you see that big green sign, $1.75. Now think about it. If you get 5 of those, you're looking at $8. After a while, if you get a couple of those, you're looking at a pretty hefty plant tower. So again, this is $1.75, increased 25 cents more that you're paying to get these 3-tier planters. $6 right here for these solar lights, and I can tell you I got them last year and only this center part lights up. So think about it. You're paying $6 for, it's cute and all, but only this center lights up, not the whole entire flower. So that's something that I definitely would not get. But if you plan on getting it, know that you'll be paying $1 more compared to last year. Just 30 days ago. Now, take a look, $6. It's increased to $5 to $6 for these cute garden stakes. What do you think about that? $1 more you'll be paying for these garden stakes.
You can see right there the employee is changing some of the prices in the gardening section. I'm trying to talk really low, but that's right. Gardening supplies are going up. It's completely insane. And if gardening supplies are going up, that means other supplies at Dollar Tree are going up too. It's just a matter of time. Now guys, it's not time to panic, but I would be definitely concerned because if my Dollar Tree is seeing a price increase, most likely yours will be seeing a price increase within some time this year. So if I were you, and if you really like certain supplies here at Dollar Tree and they are still $1.25, I would stack up on them as soon as possible, because I remember when Dollar Tree was under $1 and then it was $1.25 and $1.50 and now $3 and $5, and I'm seeing some prices here as high as 10. So again, this is becoming a store that was once very affordable for working families. It's becoming one of those stores that some of us are going to be outpriced, unfortunately. This basket used to be $5 and now you'll be paying $6. I'm not sure what it was at your Dollar Tree, but at the beginning of the year it was $5, and now this basket, I think this laundry basket with handles, is now $6. This used to be $3. These plant food stakes, $3. And I remember the smaller ones were $1.50. Now this is like a 2-pack combined, but you'll be paying, that's right, $4 for these plant food stakes here at Dollar Tree. Again, last month the price was $3. Now it's up $4. I have to tell you, they better leave the gloves alone because I'm a glove maniac. I'm constantly losing my gloves in my garden, and right now the gloves here are $1.50. But if they increase it to $1.75, I'm gonna have to call corporate and give them a piece of my mind, because these gloves are worth $1.50. Are they worth $1.75 or $2? Absolutely not. So Dollar Tree, I'm telling you right now, leave the gloves alone and do not increase
increased the price of the gloves. I remember most of these scented candles were $3, but some of them are now $5. I think that there's a special going on. But again, the good news is that I haven't seen too many price increases here at my local Dollar Tree, the one that I normally go to produce my garden videos. They have lots more prices that have increased, and I think it's a rollout. So maybe it's a rollout effect. And you know what happens with rollouts? It usually starts at one store and then it rolls out throughout the rest. Another one, solar lanterns were $5 in January. Now you're looking at $6 for them. We're going to see how much the price is here. Hopefully it's still $5. Let's scan it. Okay, good. $5 for this. So they have not increased the price for this. So this is still 3 for $1.50. I think this is a really good buy compared to Home Depot, where you can see one packet is $1.99. Some packets are $3. This is still 3 for $1.50. So again, it's a good buy. I just hope that they don't increase the price and make it 2 for $1.50. That would really piss me off. I'm just gonna say that's gonna piss me off if they make it 2 for $1.50. This is also $1 more, $6. Now again, this glows. This is a solar powered garden stake, but you'll be paying the price. $1 more, you'll be digging deeper in your pocket. Here is a bonus tip. This is straight from the manager. The craft section is still $1.25. So if you love crafts, you are still in luck. But they're telling me that the prices here will be going up to $1.50. This is one of the few items that are still $1.25, but the manager himself told me that the craft section sometime this year will be going up to $1.50. So if you love your crafts and if you get your crafts here at Dollar Tree, get it now because it will be 25 cents more. You can store your bulbs in here. You can store your garden supplies in here, tools, whatever you need. A wooden crate is going to do the job for you. But the only thing when it comes to this wooden crate is that it comes with a pretty hefty price. $10. What do you think about this wooden crate being $10? Yes, it's wood, but again, $10, I think it's a little too pricey. I think this should be about $5 because the size is really nice, but it's not a big wooden crate. What would make this $10 if it came with a lid? This used to be $5 in January. They changed it to $6. I just can't believe it. I think it's good as it is right now, but they are getting a little crazy when it comes to the price increase. These solar caps, I need one of them because I got my solar cap at Home Depot and my son broke it. But if I get the solar cap here, I'll be paying $6. They were $5 before. So it seems like everything has either increased 25 cents or a whole dollar. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. I think that this was very important video to make because I want to alert you on this possible hike that probably will be coming to your area soon. So this store, I tried to look to see if there was any other items that are going up. So let me know if you have seen any price hikes at your Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to be gardening supplies. It could be food or cosmetics or any other items that you get at your local Dollar Tree. Let's talk about it and let's all try to come together to see which prices, which items are now higher. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to share, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Until next time, guys, stay rooted.